welcome back to my channel. I'm Auntie Tay. If you guys are new here, click the subscribe button if you like this video. If not, welcome back. All right guys, today we are gonna be using one of my new products, which is the Holographic sticker paper. I was super excited about this tutorial because I'm not gonna be using the Cricut to cut it at all. I'm just gonna be using scissors. So we have printable PDFs for you guys in our membership that you guys can access with months, weeks, days, numbers, and more coming out all the time. So all you gotta do is print on this stuff and then use scissors, but I'm gonna show you a couple of my weekly spreads where I just used the days, and it's a game changer in your planner. So if you want 20% off any of my printable products or any of my products, all of my members get 20% off, and then they also get access to thousands of SVGs, and we give new bundles every single week, guys. Every single week you get new cut files and access to everything we've ever given away. So we don't have like one of those memberships where you get stuff and then you don't have anything, you know, from beyond. You get everything that's included. So the gallery just keeps growing and growing and growing. It's amazing, and we're always adding new stuff. We have a gallery of thousands of personal use Disney SVGs and then Disney inspired SVGs. So check it out, auntietay.com. Let's get going on this tutorial. All right guys, we're gonna start by printing out one of our member printables. You can also print anything you want on these shiny papers, as they are all printable products and they work with any HP or inkjet printer. I love our unicorn printer sticker paper. It's probably my favorite right now. You can get it in a pack of 10, or we also have sample packs that include some of our metallized if you want to get a feel for all of them. So I'm just going to start with my blank page, and I am going to cut out one of our weekly titles. And so if you notice, this printable can cover about 20 different weeks. So one sheet will cover almost half a year if you just wanted to do your entire bullet journal out of something like this. Now I cut all of the words apart to start on this one, and then I realized a really different technique that I liked afterwards. So if you want to do this, you can, and then you just peel off the back and you'll see this is kind of translucent. It's super cool. And then I just kind of placed them on this and then made my spread around where I put them. I also will do this with my stencils, and I have another video on how to do this, but I pulled the backing off of the entire square and then cut it apart after I cut it, and it made it a lot easier to peel the backing off.